بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. قالوا ليركن لأبواب السلاطين تهز جوائز تغني كل ما حين. They advise me, be going to kneel down from the holders of the power, the kings, and you will get rewards that will enrich you for life. فقلت حسبي ربي واكتفيت به ولست راضي غير العلم والدين. I said, I trust my Lord. I do not need anybody else, and I desire nothing more than knowledge and volition. ولست أرجو ولا أخشى سوى ملكي لأنه جل يغنيني وينجيني. I do hope only from my king. I will fear him. He's august. He's the one who can enrich and save me. أنا أفوض أحوالي لمن عجزوا عن حال أنفسهم عجز المساكين. How can I entrust my affairs to people who are also unable to care for their and hungry men? أو كيف يبغثني حب الحطام إلى جوار منظورهم روض الشياطين? Or how the love of vanities of this world he can require me to attend beings whose measure is the flower bed of demons. Sadden. إن كنت ذا هزن أو كنت ذا وطر دعوت ذا العين قبل الراء والشين. If I feel a pain or if I have a request to make, it is to the Master of the Throne that I send my prayers. وهو المعين الذي لا شيء يعجزه وهو المكون ما شاء يتكوين. He is the assistant which nothing renders powerless, and it's he who does what he wants in the way that pleases him. إن شاء تعجيل أمر كان ذا عجل أو شاء تاجله يبتحل الحين. If he wants to rush a case, the ladder is carried out quickly, and if he wants to delay the deadline, it will be accomplished only after the market time. يا من يلوم فلا تكثر ودع عذلي إذ لست من فقدة الدنيا بمخزون. Oh, my sons who do reproach me, do not exaggerate. Stop blaming me, because I do not sadden with the hardship of the ground properties. إن كان عيبي ضحد في حطامهم فذاك عيب نفيس ليس يخزيني. If default is my renunciation of power of the princess, here is a vice which will not be ashamed. Jërëjëf Sëriñ Tuuba.